our bakery display showcase. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 70 inches, a depth 26 inches, overall height of wheels 49 inches tall. Measurements for the bottom base, we have 22.5 inches in height with wheels. Coming to the front is the showcase of the bakery display, and included will be 4 adjustable shelves. Measurements for the top shelf will include 13 inches in depth, and the bottom 15.5 inches in depth. Length of each shelf, we have 33 inches. 33 inches applied for each length of 4 shelves that can be adjusted to the height of your preference. When connecting the shelf in one continuous row, the entire length of the shelf, we have 66.5 inches block. Coming to the bottom will be a surface for storage. The measurements will include 68.5 inches in length by 16 inches in depth. LED lights will be included on the top of the bakery case, along with each corresponding shelf beneath. So LED strip beneath the third shelf, beneath the second shelf, and top roof of the bakery case. Switches for the LED light, power, along with the temperature control. Coming to the bottom will be the 110, 120 voltage. And on the corner, you have the ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this bakery case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.